Hi guys! Today we're going to talk about editing videos in Snapseed. First, open the Snapseed app on your phone. Once the app opens, you'll see its simple editing interface. Now, let me clearly tell you something. Snapseed is designed only for photo editing, not for videos. So if you're trying to edit a video here, it simply won't work. Now, if you tap on the plus icon in the bottom middle of the screen, it will open your gallery. But here's the important part. You'll only see photos available to select. Videos will not appear in the selection list because the app is built strictly for images. So even if you scroll through your gallery, videos won't show up. When your gallery opens, take a closer look. You'll notice that only photos are visible and selectable. This confirms that Snapseed does not provide video editing functionality. So if your goal is to edit videos, you'll need to use a different app specifically designed for video editing. For video editing, you can use apps like CapCut or InShot. Simply open your App Store or Play Store and search for these apps. They are specifically designed for editing videos and offer features like trimming, transitions, effects, and text overlays. So instead of struggling in Snapseed, it's better to use the right tool for the right job. So that's the truth. You cannot edit videos in Snapseed because it's only made for photo editing. If this helped clear your confusion, make sure to subscribe and drop a comment below if you have more questions. I'll see you in the next one.